Hi everyone, I'm Shaunak from the ASM Software Applications team, and in this video we will cover the TI Uniflash tool and how to use it with AM26X devices. Before moving forward, make sure you have the latest MCU Plus SDK installed with the latest CCS, sysconfig, TI ARM CLAN compiler, and the TI Uniflash tool. All these tools can be downloaded from TI.com. Uniflash is a standalone tool used to program on-chip, external, or onboard flash memory on TI processors. Uniflash tool supports GUI, command line, and a scripting interface. The tool is supported on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux and is free to download. The tool can be set up in 3 easy steps. First, go to the TI Uniflash download homepage and get the tool. Then, based on your operating system, download and install it in your TI directory. Then launch the Uniflash tool. For this video, we will be demonstrating the JTAG and UART flashing on AM263PX control card. We will be using MCU Plus SDK for AM263PX version 9.2. The Uniflash tool supports JTAG, UART, and custom flashing. To get started with the JTAG flashing, take your AM263PX and set it in dev boot mode. After you have set your device in dev boot mode, power cycle your device. Launch a new Uniflash session. In the settings drop-down, you will get an option to either choose between auto and manual. In case of manual, you can select Sitara MCU as the filter and select AM263PX on chip, then select XDS110 USB debug probe as your connection and click on start. In case of auto, the Uniflash tool will automatically detect the device, the serial number, and the type of connection. Click on Start. Here, you get an option to choose your SBL image, application image, and XIP image if you have enabled XIP execution in your example. First, let us select the SBL image as SBL OSPI release. Then, select the application image as the Hello World release.app image. Now, click on Load Images. The Uniflash tool will first configure the debugger, which might take some time in case of first execution. Then the Uniflash tool will load the multiple files selected. Once the flashing is complete, you can check the console window for a success log indicating that loading of the application images has been completed successfully. Now, to check if the application has been flashed successfully and works properly, I will switch the boot mode to OSPI. Then I will open my device manager, navigate to ports and see the UART COM port. In my case, it is COM53. Then I will open a CCS terminal for COM port 53 and power cycle my device. As you can see, the OSPI bootloader has switched to application image and the application log of Hello World is seen successfully. Now, for the UART serial flashing, set your device in UART boot mode and power cycle the device. Then launch a new Uniflash session, go to Sitara MCU, select the AM263PX serial device and click on Start. Select the SBL images, application images, and here enter the COM port. As we checked right now from the device manager, my COM port is 53. Now I will click on Load Images. Once the application flashing is completed successfully, you can get the logs in the console window. Now switch your device back to OSPI boot mode. Open a CCS terminal for COM port 53 and power cycle your device. As you can see, after the OSPI bootloader has switched to the application, we get the application logs. Now, we have completed the UART serial flashing using the TI Uniflash tool. Some additional information about the Uniflash tool. The Uniflash tool comes with a built-in memory browser which can read the target memory. Please note that this view is read-only. When your device is in dev boot mode and a new session has been launched, You can navigate to the memory window, then click on Read Target Device, and as you can see, the target memory is visible. You can also browse any particular target here. The UniFlash supports a wide variety of formats such as the TI-COF, TI-ELF, Intel Hex, Motorola S-Record, Tektronix Hex, TI-TXT, and binary format. Please be sure to go through the MCU Plus SDK documentation to know which formats are supported and tested. Sometimes, if the flashing operation hangs in the serial session and the cancel button becomes unresponsive, please close the UniFlash tool, relaunch a new session, ensure the board configuration and flash configurations are correct, and try again. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Do check out other video trainings on AM266 devices and visit the AM266 MCU Plus Academy to learn more about our devices.